People, good evening again. If you just joined us, this is the Upper Live Show. We're live here each and every Tuesday right here at TGM Radio, 9 p.m. until the hours of 11. And this is another special edition of the show. We have some special guests here this evening. One of them is very short and shy. And the other gentleman is here, and he is a prolific DJ. Goes by the name of Jigs. Is the short and shy. And the other gentleman is M2K Entertainment, right? So together they make M2K. Let's clarify. Let's get them in and see what is the deal. Clarify fix me for me, please, cause I'm confused.
Well, yo, Ricky, I'm gonna fix yourself, you know.
I'm confused.
Nah, man. So you don't know it's the voice of MK.
Yep. Is it M2K?
So I'm MK.
Yeah.
We are DJ gigs.
Okay.
And as a team, we come together and make M2K Entertainment.
That's where the confusion is. That is where the confusion is. Because on your socials, I keep seeing M2K Entertainment. So I'm thinking that is you are M2K Entertainment. And then I know that you're gigs.
Yeah.
So that's clarified. Short and shy.
No,
right?
gigs trick we know, because gigs have about 3 page.
Yeah. So that is where the confusion is. So we started now.
You don't want to get another one there, no?
Look who must make it, look who must report here, you know, and say, you know, one of them are wrong, you know. But start any mind and more.
It's a spam thing.
Alright, so let's start it this way. Let's start with Jigs. Why did they call you short and shy?
Well, because I don't talk much, you know.
You don't talk much, but you have to talk now.
Huh? Yeah, I will, you know. But you see, if you send questions my way, then I go answer, don't. But other from that, I'm really the type of person that don't really talk that much, you know. I'm a thinking person.
Makes sense. Makes sense. And the MK, explain your role in the group. Are you a DJ or are you the promoter? How does it work?
Well, I mean, I know my role is so complex. Basically, I'm an MC.
Yeah.
Used to be a DJ. Used to be shy.
Yeah.
It was one of them things where when we come as a team, I say, all right, one of us have to do the talking.
Somebody have to man up.
Yeah, definitely. Somebody have to man up and start talking and them something they saw.
Yeah.
But this side for do the talking, leave him for do the shy thing. You know, on top of that, we do, I'm doing a bit of engineering, trying to get things together.
Okay.
So, bit of sound engineering, bit of the tech stuff.
So what were you guys doing before you met each other, before you came to M2K Entertainment?
So what it was, we were both on a radio station.
Yeah.
And another guy on the radio station said, you know what, if you two guys come together, they feel like we would be a good team.
Yeah.
So I said, so done, that's how we form M2K Entertainment. Register the company, doing everything as professional as possible,
Makes sense.
Yeah.
And you're on what radio station? You can say radio station because we enlighten everybody. We're not still like everybody who say them nasty mystic. Call the radio station name, plug
it. Yeah, so right now.
Plug anybody and know what thing you don't get.
Okay. Right now we have a radio show every Thursday night on Pulse 88 Radio.
It's on Pulse 88 Radio.
And it's from 11 till 1 in the morning. So
big up Pulse Radio.
Of course, because I suppose I do look at work and I see them interview that people are giving some youth some credit. So we like that, Listen, gone are the days where people, I hate this thing when I come to England come see. If you're on one station, if you call that, if you have friends over there, so listen to me and them.
Listen here. That's the thing what mashing up our little genre and our little segment of our culture, because here what? If one man have a leeway, another man now help you to rise.
No,
so that's why we have nobody out there as champion. All of we in one little circle
everybody
are struggling,
Everybody's struggling because nobody now try to pull nobody up, right?
No one does, and we don't understand that our black music, because that's what they look at it as. Black music makes up probably about 3 to 4% of the whole entire music scope in the UK.
People need to look at it this way, yeah. You see, black people, we are the entertainers of the world. Like when you're talking about anything, sports, acting, music, most of the genre of music, it was led by black people.
Yeah.
Anything we do with entertainment is a black dominated market, and like I don't understand why the Caribbean people, I should say in general, are so small-minded in terms of helping each other and enlightening each other in something what we don't know. Because like sometimes you might know something and I don't know it, and me and you talk.
Yeah.
Sometimes I can come to me and say, brother, here what? This is the better way for do it. Someone who won't do that, then we criticize you and laugh at you, and then want to see you fail and still don't tell you the same thing.
Makes
that's
sense.
true stuff.
Definitely. You know, I've seen that, especially in the dancehall scene.
It's
And,
normal. It's every day. That's
You know,
normal.
it's a thing where your own brother will try and make you feel. You know, nobody don't try and uplift each other. And what I always say, right here in the UK,
yeah.
dancehall don't even belong to the Jamaican.
Mm.
Dancehall belong to another set of people, either you know the English people or the white people, because they are willing to work together.
And that's why they reach farther when they're doing it, because
Exactly.
the cohorse with each other, and it just works because everyone is on the same page.
Yeah.
Works. So for M2K now, what do you guys bring to the scope? What can we expect from M2K?
Mr. Shah, you don't want to talk.
It's
Yeah, if
2020.
you
Come
want
on.
to take this one still.
So what our plan is, you know, it's one of those things where we're trying not to be shallow-minded or short-sighted. Is we're not just looking at the dancehall scene.
Good.
You know, we are trying to go international. We want to be like the Sean Paul of the whole DJ thing. You
I
know,
see.
you left the dancehall thing, go out there,
Yeah.
make your exposure,
Yeah.
and you come back. Cause one of them things, you know, as me said, this man, I was saying it to gigs. This man is one of the baddest DJ me ever see.
Dragon.
Baddest.
All right.
Baddest.
See that? If I honest man, I mean tell them from that.
Baddest. But your thing is,
Yeah.
your thing is when your own people won't
They
give you
won't
the
give
props.
No, they won't give you the credit.
No
Yeah.
recognition from
Alright.
nobody.
But once him go, you say if you go out there and you get the bus where people don't even know you're giving you that rating,
Yeah.
them same one I say, yo, I mean the youth they used to par, you know, you know.
A long time, you know him, you know.
It's typical,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
Says one of
They have a saying for that in Jamaica. You never get crowned in your one place.
exactly,
That's true, man.
exactly.
True
So
that.
we are we are you know multi-genre.
Yeah.
We don't just stick to dancehall. Right now we kind of wrapping it on the soca scene a bit,
See there.
you know. So carnival season, especially my season.
Like a match.
You know what I mean? So
You know, we kind of get like the carnival or something.
it
now.
nice
No, you
one.
better get
Yeah.
like it. I know.
Hey, Carnival season mad
I don't
still.
know why I don't know them. I'm a
Wait.
Caribbean.
Well, you can listen them, Jack.
I can listen to them, but
Yeah.
you know what? Like sometimes when I get like
Yeah.
the last time I get some fun, I get like 20 gig of music, and I'm like, God no. I go through all of this and think about it and something like, yo. So I just put them one side. I know I look on them and
Yeah.
but
No man.
that's
Yeah,
the
we
thing,
can-
like,
you know,
have
be
to
sick.
invest some time.
It's like my mistake at all.
I don't know,
that's the-
maybe I like I could listen soca music, but it's not my passion.
Yeah.
To be honest, I love dancehall music.
Yeah.
Dancehall is my passion. If I did get 20 gig of dancehall music, started from last week.
Yeah. Same time, same place.
Started from
You are
yesterday.
still. I encourage you for this.
Then like
Listen,
partnership.
you know
Yeah.
the song them and you because so many time for somebody who is listening it.
Well, listen, you'll know.
Because a lot of times somebody hit song,
Yeah.
I will overlook them and say it
I understand.
sound alright, but maybe not hit to me because I'm not.
Because
You're
that's
not
not
in
what
the-
you grew up on.
It's
That's
not in
what
this
you-
space, and it's not
Yeah.
not in
I know
the.
we grew up on, but as a DJ,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Yeah,
Oh, yeah, I was
you have
I
to
was in
listen
that
to
same
it.
place
Obviously,
where it's like
I know the big heavy hitters, you know.
Yeah.
I know the big massive soca song.
yeah.
Yeah.
But you know, like the compilation, like a whole 2-hour soca set
Mhm.
with like say from 2013 till now. I
Yeah.
don't think I could manage that. I would have to catch and play of some over there because I don't know soca like that.
Yeah.
I made the guiltiest one.
I hear that as well.
My soca look a set. Turn me on. That's
So the most commercialist thing you can find in Nigeria.
Of course.
That's how it's going to be.
And listen,
Man.
I say we just trying us people. We have M2K here. As I say, they no one class themselves as dancehall selectors. Them say the multi-genre, and them here with this Steven. So people who's watching this now and live with us, what would you like them to take from this interview today? The most important thing about M2K.
Well, the most important thing about M2K is right now we're there to stay. We're not going away, so we're not get to know we. And over the time, you're going to see the progress that we make. Because since starting this 3 years ago, it's been like every year it goes up another level.
Yeah.
So look out for this year, next
So-
year, and beyond this year.
Quick question. You like just play in the UK or you like traveling at the moment or not as yet? Or what's in the pipeline? What's happening?
Traveling, we've got a few bookings to come overseas still, but I wouldn't say
We have
it's
shut-
going to go
We have
no
shutdown.
international thing yet.
We have
It's
shutdown
just, like,
coming.
European thing, innit?
Yeah, no,
In Europe.
that's
Yeah,
again what I'm talking about.
that's still traveling.
The
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
Germany, the Italy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
To
those
be
are common.
honest, like I just want to remix your question a little bit.
Yeah.
What define M2K different from any other DJs or any other
Mhm.
group in the UK?
All right.
What make you guys different?
All right. So the thing with M2K, yeah, you know, as when we're on, if it's dancehall or bashment thing, we don't just go in there and rough up the thing.
Yeah.
We are entertainers. That's why when you look me, you call me MK, not DJ MK. MK. We are entertainers.
Okay.
I'm a guy, me like go up there and when me talk, me like make people laugh. You know, me not like go up there and say, yo, every man. No, I go up there and say little things and make them laugh and make people smile and change up the thing. I'm tired of the
Yeah.
top 10 and the
DJs,
same thing you hear
yeah.
in your
Everyone's
mix
playing
when
the
you
same
got a
thing.
party is the same thing you hear in the dance. We
But
like
how
to
do you
change.
find it getting into like for instance in the parties
Yeah.
as a newcomer? Because I know my take on this, but I'm
Mhm.
just gonna find out your take on it. How do you find it making it into the space, like into getting into the real party time to play at the prime time? How do you find the response from the DJ one and from the crowd? How do you find people accept you guys?
From the DJ side, I would say on the dancehall scene, it's not pleasant. Let me put it that way.
Yeah.
It's never easy. It's one of them things. If they don't know you, we have been booked for parties already,
If you
and
don't
get money, get the deposit, and DJ come in bigger DJ, known in that circle. Because
Yeah.
I say known in that
And-
circle. They're not big.
And don't use this
I'll
word
push you
on
on.
this show and say bigger DJ because
No.
Yeah.
nobody's bigger
Bigger
than
than
nobody.
No, what I say?
So remember,
Alright.
stop it here.
Person that's known in his circle.
If I take off you,
No, listen, they're known in that
Let them
small circle.
circle. Yeah, they know themselves.
Right? And what they do, they go and tell the promoter, listen, me have a next
Yeah.
dance to go on. So make me play the hour and give them the last hour and then play the 2 hour. I say, all right.
Finish the part.
I've been to book for parties already. And next DJ call the promoter and say, listen, don't book them Monday because if you book them, you know, me not play fair dance. Been through all of that. But them things they don't work. We're not bad mind people. We not do them things.
We've been there playing as well, and people come up and say, like other DJs, we have said to other people, who them youth here.
I'll ask you the same
Like,
question.
They don't expect us to be on the same level playing platform as them.
Because we've had quite a few different type of DJs. We have the biggest names here. We have the unknowns. And I'm going to put the same question to you as I put to the biggest one that's been here before. What's the change? What is the resolution for this in your point of view? Because I'm trying to figure out maybe we can find a sensible, plausible conclusion to this, hopefully. So I'm just trying to find out your take on.
Well, my take is, as we was explaining before, if you feel so you're on a certain level and you see somebody that's coming up, instead of reaching them on out and help you for come up the ladder, what them do? Them lock you out and say, okay. So to resolve that, open the doors and let people in. Let everybody come in, and me can bring something else. You bring something else to the table, and the two of we can come together and work and make this thing work proper. You see me? And then we can take dancehall to a different level, because that's what everyone else does, you know. They come together. If somebody does house and somebody else I do garage, you know, I see, Emmanuel I do house, I lock out the garage man. Them come together and them do them thing.
Yeah,
You
but
see me I say?
the-
But in a dancehall though, in the dancehall space, what you find happening is everybody is for themselves. So the only way we can resolve this is, yeah, yo, me help you, you help me. We come together, we work down.
Yeah,
Let's
but
put it out there.
makes
my
sense.
my views on that for the how many years I'm here now, it's not a lot, but I've been here for time. And when I just came here, it's like you could have been the baddest thing. You couldn't have spin CD for an eyelash or whatever you want to do, good boy.
You're not getting no kid.
You couldn't have talk a body's argument or a body's argument. You're not getting no
Yeah.
kids if the man didn't know you. I have
Yeah.
the DJ and they say, alright, yo, put him on the show.
All right.
But saying that, I don't think it's going to change, because I feel like them so-called dinosaur, yeah, fear the young man to come take the party more than him.
Yeah, I understand
I
that.
feel like
but
it's a fear.
Alright.
Personally.
it should
You
never
wanna-
be
you
that
wanna-
way though, is
you
it?
wanna- You see, my perfect opinion, what I would try to give right now, I think the DJ who been dominant for so long years, I said the last decade, they're not passing over the baton properly.
No, they're
And
not.
they're getting old and they're not going to do this forever. and they are the one who's gonna ruin the culture in 10 or 20 years time because thing ain't doing properly
Yeah.
as how it should do because first and foremost they're not letting through no young DJ to the gate to
Mhm.
try and improve their talent or help them in no way, shape and form. No, there's a few DJ are doing that, but not the majority. So
Exactly.
that's the most biggest thing. And their mentality as established DJ, they still have that 80s mentality or that early 90s was say, me not give a man an opportunity because I don't want a man show you up. It's not about that. Some of the time you're getting old. You have to think about preserving your legacy.
Yeah.
Because look at it now. If God forbid and some of them something for happen and they die today, 4 or 5 years down the road nobody remember them because they're not gonna be at the parties or in the dance for
Yeah.
DJ for big them up or big up this. So
And
you
they
have
don't
to
have
think
any
about
legacy.
things to preserve a legacy
Yeah.
by doing something positive and helping somebody
Yeah.
through the gate. So
You see, the
somebody can
perfect
stay
example
alive.
of that is Stone Love. They always bring new people to the team, but the thing is always Stone Love, right? So you always have to hear about Stone Love, but new selectors are there. In the UK, we don't have that.
No.
We don't.
We
No,
don't
we
have a
don't.
DJ who break the market yet in UK. Think about it.
You know
We
what?
don't have an international DJ. in
And why
UK.
do you think that is?
in our scene actually in the
Sure.
dance?
We have one
We
still.
don't.
We have other one.
No, I'm talking
No, no,
about
not
D-
artists.
like not artists,
Selectors.
Not
selectors,
artists,
DJs.
DJs.
We don't have one. We almost have one, which I could say hands down is Andrew Fresh, who is the closest to break the market right now in terms of the dancehall scene, in terms of the international space,
Yeah.
and he's not getting everyone's support because
No.
people are being what you call it. People are being very picky and people are being because I'm with that clique or I'm doing my own thing I can't support you.
Yeah.
Big up Andrew Fresh every time because you're a bad selector. You're elder to me, and you are one of the people who are helping a lot of people through the gate. Look at Lion Squad for instance.
Yeah.
Andrew Fresh have a lot to do with their success and their upbringing in
Yeah,
terms of dance.
it's the mentoring, innit?
He give
Yeah.
them the stamp of approval,
Yeah.
and when you give certain people that inside the UK,
People
audience,
accept you.
the dancehall audience kind of accept you. So,
So-
if you realize, like as a new sound as me or you,
Yeah.
they could come in the party and play anything for 20 minutes and people don't say nothing.
Yeah.
Me and you
You
try
try
it.
it.
I know.
Who them selected them?
Come on, fighting.
someone.
That's the thing where you come back to the unfresh thing now, where you're saying even have a lot to do with Lawyer Squad. It's the mentoring as well. Like if you're okay then, so Andrew Fresh is from South London. If we have a man from East Side that is the same level as Andrew Fresh, and him say, okay then, I'll take on some youths, I'm gonna mentor them. You know how big these youths could get, and I could
That's-
bring him up as well.
Same thing.
Well,
Yeah.
let's listen. This is an issue that is ongoing, and I don't think it's gonna stop now. And hopefully it change, and just the people just need to wise up here, sir, and just do the right thing before it's too late. Hopefully, because we've been saying this thing for a long time and it's not getting anywhere. So for M2K, what's next for you, gentle people, for the 2020? Or what do you have in the 2020 vision?
Well, 2020 vision. So as we take it a day at a time, a step at a time. So as I said to him all the time, if you take your time and build your thing,
Yeah.
it takes layers to break it down. If your thing just shoot up, it can just drop back. But if you take your time and bring it up, then
Yeah.
have to tear it down layer
Little
by
by
layer.
layer.
So we take it a day at a time, a month at a time. So may I say, boy, nice summer, you guys do it everywhere, carnival everywhere. We're there on the carnival scene. We have a performance coming up at London Marathon as well. So we are
Okay,
there, so
and that is one give me a date so the people that can come, so they can come look for you and say, yo, they want to come say,
Yeah.
short and shy, want finally find you.
And me and you to go and come support because it's all
Yeah,
about like
that's
support
true.
who is
Yeah.
in our space, support our own.
Cause we listen, me and Dragon, we just go some party sometime and we don't say some bad sticker there and we just will a joy. When you
Enjoy,
see we, you
so.
know, if you see we, you see the Rasta, I throw we up anyway, we come
I
like.
just say fire
jam.
to see me. You know the thing, but like from a way, like
Yeah.
we like
Yeah.
to support people. Like
Of course.
a lot of time people say, oh, we're missing out of the typical dancehall space because sometimes we're busy going to other local events.
It's the
because
same with us.
we call it. Some of the time you can't go the same thing all the time.
all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to support other people because you have a lot of
Mhm.
great people in London doing great things. So you have to spread your wings and support some other people because like talent is not always found. Sometimes it's hidden,
Yeah.
and it's our duty as what we are doing as the Upnlive show to go out there and enlighten people about other talents out there.
Yeah.
Of
So
course.
we have to go out and look for some new talent at some
I'll
time.
find them.
Yeah,
Cool.
So I have to give that to you as well because with our entertainment show, we're trying to build that brand as well where we can expose people. So
Would I like
Give
give
it
it
out.
for your show too?
no, man, definitely, man,
Yeah, man,
definitely, without a doubt, you know. So
Yeah.
the Upnlive show, we have to give it out to you guys. You know what I mean? So it's hard to find people, you know, entertainers that's willing to expose other entertainers.
Of course, because if you get big
Yeah.
and you decide, all right, you know, they give you a little strength, you can draw away too, because that's how you go.
It's
Yeah.
not even about give a little strength. Look at it this way, yeah?
Mm.
Somebody out of the UK in the dancehall scene make it big. It's gonna be a magnifying glass on the UK DJ scene.
Exactly.
So it's gonna be room for somebody else to go through that gate.
Everybody can make it, but
Everybody don't look on it that way, you know. Sometimes it don't have to be somebody in your circle.
Yeah.
It can be somebody over there because as long as you get the attention, look at this. Look at the situation now with dancehall. When Drake come and him start sample this, and then everybody start sample, then you have Shensia them. I go work with Russian and Tiger and everybody, and you see where dancehall going.
Alright.
It's going back into like back in the early 90s when dancehall was big in international scene with Shabba and those people.
Exactly.
So that's why I'm saying not to be selfish. Sometimes you need to live selflessly and do something in the goodness of your heart and what you love.
Yeah. For real.
good, of
That is
course.
true.
People, you know, we want to give thanks to M2K Entertainment for passing through. But before we go, can we just get some social so people who are watching can follow you?
To the everything M2K Entertainment. I'm not even gonna plug my own thing. I want to say me
Plug
have no.
your one.
No,
plug everything.
M2K is my thing.
So
So M2K Entertainment.
plug-
Everything's M2K
Plug
Entertainment.
your personal as well because I know you probably do stuff on that what people want to see because you're Mr. Shy. Remember, people want to dig in your personal life as well.
Remember my idea, that's why I'm 3 of them or 4.
Yeah.
of course,
Yeah, so
definitely.
across all social media platforms and all streaming platforms, it's M2K Entertainment, you know.
Wicked.
Yeah, that's it.
Of course, definitely. And thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us. And people, make sure you go and support them, support the music. They're on Pulse Radio each and every Thursday at.
Yep. From 11 till 1 in the morning.
Okay, so
Yeah.
see the show there,
Every
shot in a
Thursday.
dancehall and everything, right?
Yeah, man, it's a mixed genre show.
Cool. All right. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for passing through. If you're just joining us, this is the Upnlive Show.